Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, January 17th, 2025. We want to start this week's episode of The Wrap-Up by thanking our community for truly coming together to help and support the thousands who have been affected by the devastating fires in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas. This past Sunday, LAHS held a fire donation drive led by LAHS teacher Brandon Hart with support from our amazing students, staff, volunteers, and even our local military heroes who volunteered, bringing in an overwhelming amount of donations and filling 4 26-foot U-Haul trucks with essentials like water, food, hygiene supplies, clothing, and emergency gear. These efforts supported the California School of the Arts in San Gabriel Valley. Thank you to all who donated and volunteered. You truly made a difference. In other high school news, LAHS held its annual Winter Assembly this week, showcasing the incredible talent and spirit of our Griffins. The assembly highlighted our winter sports teams, featured a stunning performance by the Advanced Dance team, and brought smiles with the fun routine from varsity song and boys basketball. The excitement continued with the friendly game of human ring toss and the special introduction of the winter formal court. Additionally, later in the week, varsity girls basketball team faced off against LAHS staff in a very fun, spirited game. In the end, our Griffin girls emerged victorious, proving once again why they're champions both on and off the court. In elementary news, choirs from all 5 of our elementary schools came together this week at the McGaw Auditorium to kick off rehearsals for the upcoming All-District Choral Festival. This annual event, set to take place on March 10th, is shaping up to be another incredible showcase of talent. A special shout out to our amazing music teachers whose dedication and expertise make this event possible. In other elementary news, our Hopkinton Huskies had the opportunity to learn about Filipino culture through a presentation by a group of Filipino dancers this week. Organized by Hopkinson's PTA Cultural Committee, the event included a special welcome dance traditionally performed during celebrations, giving students a meaningful glimpse into Filipino traditions. This week, we also hosted our annual Parent Information Nights to welcome incoming UTK, kindergarten, and middle school families. On Monday, families of UTK and kindergarten students attended, and last night, middle school families gathered in the PAC at the high school. If you were unable to attend, the presentation slides can be found on the district website. This week, we also surprised our December 2024 Rock Stars of the Month. Please join us in congratulating certificated rock star Tomomi Takeuchi, Japanese teacher at Los Alamitos High School, and classified rock star of the month Kim Radford, early education instructional assistant at Weaver Elementary. And last but never least, our Oak Lions roared with pride in the boardroom this week. Their annual board presentation kicked off with a patriotic rendition of the Star Spangled Banner by the Oak Choir, followed by a presentation on Lion Life from Principal Garcia and 2 incredible ASB student leaders. The night ended on a heartwarming note as we honored the Oak Hero of the Heart, Melissa Newman. And that's the wrap-up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful weekend.
And that's the wrap-up!